Alright, let's go find the digging area, I guess.
Hold on.
Thomas,
Yeah?
I found a map. Follow me. So, there's an Easter egg hunt. I don't know how to get here. But then if we go past this way, there's the digging thing.
This is where we are. Where is it? The digging thing?
It's like here, Thomas, this one here.
What? This one.
I don't, yes, I think so.
Okay, so I know where that is.
Well, I'm stuck. There we go. Where is it?
It's over
Okay,
this way. Oh, what's this?
Oh,
Relax fun area.
relaxing fun. I don't think it's a relaxing fun area.
I think it could be. Yeah, you
I
never
think
know.
somebody put stickers on that sign. I have a feeling somebody messed with that sign. Oh, this is different, is it? Actually, yeah, it is. Digging area.
Da-da.
This is weird. Oh, ooh, ooh, Thomas, look at me. Look.
Oh, you're digging.
I made a hole. Ooh.
Oh, right, hold on.
Why are you in my hole? Hey, this is my hole, my stuff. Ooh. Thomas,
Yeah?
do you have a spare flashlight?
I've not got a flashlight.
So we should probably go get flashlights.
Hey, this is my hole!
We should probably go get flashlights. Ooh,
Ooh.
monies.
No, this is my hole. Matthew, I'm not even kidding.
No, don't do it. What are you doing here? That's my hole.
Are you at my hole?
That's my hole.
It's my hole.
No, it's not. Your
This
hole.
is your hole.
Yeah, this is my hole. Get out my hole.
Some of it's your hole. This bit's my hole.
Did you dig into my hole?
I dug, yes.
Okay.
I dug this to get into your hole. I'm sorry, Matthew, I just love your hole.
I can't pick that up, can I? Wait, what does this do? Oh,
Went too far down. I found the bottom, Matthew.
no. I ate a glowing carrot and it made me high or something. What? I ate a glowing carrot and it made me high or something. There's another room. Maybe here. Thomas? Thomas? Thomas! Try this! Eat this!
So I found deep slate.
Eat this!
Why? No, it'll take me to spawn.
No, it doesn't! It doesn't!
What does it do?
What was that?
Give it, fluffing carrot.
What was that?
Give it. Give me the carrot.
What was that?
What does it do?
It made me high.
Okay, Matthew, we need to keep on digging down,
No,
okay?
what was that? What was that noise? Thomas?
I don't know, Matthew. Come back down here.
No, there's another room. There's another room, Thomas.
Look. Wait, what?
There's another room we can go to.
Wait, what?
Yeah. It's this way, come
Superhero
on.
landing.
This way, Thomas. This way. Let's go.
Dig deep, relax.
We're going deeper. We're going deeper.
I trust.
Ooh. Oh. What? This is the
I
wrong
trust
way.
you.
Hold up. No, there's another way to go. Follow me.
So trippy.
This way then. Ow. This way then. We're going deeper.
Yeah, now there's a mimic there. I don't even want to.
Where? Where?
Nice, I run out of ammo. Right here, mate.
There's nothing there.
I just killed it. Okay.
There was nothing there.
Where are we going, Matthew?
I think he's schizophrenic.
I don't like digging deeper.
Dead end.
This way.
I heard a noise. No, I heard a noise coming from that way.
Matthew, just come this way.
I hear a scary noise.
It just takes us to the normal caves. Come on, let's go back to.
Oh.
Come through my tunnel. Over here. Going through here, because we hit like bedrock or something down here.
I'm coming in your hole.
Yes, you are. Right. You dig down there. And I dig down this side.
What was that? Did you hear that?
I found something.
What did you find?
Come here.
Wires. Ooh, okay.
Yep, found something.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ooh, there's a sofa down here.
Whoa.
This is where you get the carrots, Thomas. These green and orange things. The carrots.
Yep. I think we can dig further down.
I think we can. Yeah, maybe?
No. Wait.
Wait. Why are your eyes flashlights?
Why are your eyes flashlights?
What the hell?
Oh, it's a carrot.
Oh, I haven't eaten a carrot recently. Anywho.
Alright, come on then.
Man, this place is weird.
Hold on. You get that bit, I go over. Yeah, I can hear something from that direction.
Which the direction we came from? So you said you hear a noise coming from the direction we're going,
Yep.
and we're still going in that direction.
Yep. Come on.
Ooh, Coca-Cola. Can't drink it. It's useless. Money. What was that? Oh God!
Told you.
What the hell? Jesus Christ!
Right, just run.
Why are you running that way? No.
Ain't no way I'm dealing with that, bro.
Wait, there's signs of civilization here, Thomas. Come on.
Yeah, let's continue going.
Oh!
Yeah, just hit it. Come on. Right. You mine and run. Okay, your turn to mine. To be fair, it's not really masses of damage. Oh!
You
Hurry!
okay?
I'm getting up. No. I don't like this game.
Oh!
Why? They keep on trying. Go on. Okay.
Wait, it goes down. Look at me.
One. Continue.
I'm trying. Okay.
Ain't no way I'm dealing with this, bro. Right, it's staying up there.
What the hell? What the hell is this?
I'm gonna give us some space so we can see when it's coming. There you go, like I said there.
Ooh. Never mind. Thought I found something.
I think we went too deep for it now. Yeah, we're seeing signs of civilization. Come on, let's see.
Wait,
Carrots to X-ray vision.
yeah, Thomas, look. I think it only gives us one. We can try. Yeah, one.
You?
Hey, I mind it.
Yeah, you got flashlight. Right, okay, now we've got flashlight. That's great. You see another carrot, it's my turn. Okay? Oh wait, you can mine down. You can mine down.
Is that it? I just heard it, I think. Ooh!
See it?
What is that? What?
Well, we're gonna go check it out. Oh!
I'm scared. Ooh!
What's wrong?
It's a red cube. It's the red cube from Fortnite.
Chunk reset?
Chunk?
What's a chunk reset?
Oh, it resets the chunk that we were mining.
Really?
I think so. Okay.
Huh.
There's a teleporter
What's the other
that
one
way.
then? Wait, what's this? Whoa! What are you?
Thomas?
Yep.
Oh, there's something over there.
Let's check it out.
It's making a noise. I think.
Oh, what the heck? Just happened.
Is that God? Oh, it's a purple cube.
Flashbang. What is this?
It's Mikeable.
Oh! Okay. Oh!
Uh-oh.
It's a boss, it's a boss, it's a boss.
Grab
It's a boss, brother. I was running if I was you, boy! All mine down, all mine down. No! Can't mine down, can't mine down!
Run!
Exit! 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 Oh snap, it's looking at me funny. Hell no.
Thomas?
Matthew, you're so cooked, that's a flat wall. Actually,
is it
check
gone?
this boss out.
Oh. Ow! Ow!
Hey, you want to do that in my house? Yep, you can do so. Let's go.
Have fun. Bye.
Leave him be. Have a good day. It's shooting red at me.
No.
It's looking at me like it wants to steal my soul, bro.
This was a mistake.
It just disappeared. Wait, it disappeared. It disappeared.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
Drop down
Bobby,
the
let me get up and drop the teleporter down.
Yeah.
Teleport.
Oh, sorry, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Drop the teleporter down to me. Teleporter.
No.
Screw you, sucker.
Please. Pretty please. Oh.
Oh, you want this? You want this?
Yeah.
Take it from me, bitch. It didn't work for a moment. You better give it back after.
Can't. And then I need to give it back.
Right, yep. Oh, come on, bro. Give it to me.
Thomas? Hello.
Give me my damn teleporter.
No. That was fun. What do you say, Thomas? You had fun? Should we do the Easter egg hunt?
Die.
I found an Easter egg.
You're a fake fan of Spectacular
Found an
Spider-Man.
egg. I think it's been a good day.
Give me my teleporter.
Wouldn't you say, Thomas? And I think that's
me
going to
my
be the entire
teleporter.
video.
Give me my teleporter.
I'll play again tomorrow.
His full legal name is Matthew.
Alright, I think we're done today.
He lives in.
Bye.
No, we're not done yet. We're not.